Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully speed up Microsoft Excel if you notice it's very slow to open up. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by left clicking on the File tab up at the top left one time. And then you want to go down and left click on Options near the bottom. On the left side, you want to left click on the Advanced selection, and then you want to scroll down on the right until you get to underneath General, right here. So you want to uncheck the box to ask to update automatic links. So once you've unchecked that, it won't be prompting you every time you reopen it if you have links on here perhaps. So that should hopefully speed it up a little bit in itself. And then you can also go into the Trust Center, so left click on that, and then left click on Trust Center settings over on the right side. Now there are some tutorials that go underneath Protected View and would uncheck these boxes to enable Protected View for files originating from the internet, and as well as the other two boxes. I would personally keep them all checked just for security sake. I would suggest that. I mean, you can play around with it. I mean, you can do whatever you want, but personally I would keep these all checkmarked. However, if you went underneath macro settings, I would consider disabling all macros without notification. It might currently be set to disable all macros with notification. Just switch it to without notification and then left click on OK. Hopefully that would be able to resolve the problem as well. If you were still having problems, you could always go into the control panel, or if you're on Windows 10, go into Add, Remove Programs, and just instead of uninstalling, just try and repair the Office suite. You could always try that as well. But I'm not going to really dive too much into that. I think that hopefully what we went through in this tutorial should hopefully address that. Try opening up Excel files maybe that are a little bit smaller. Maybe you have a really large file and that's why it's taking a while to open up. So just food for thought, but I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.